Hello everyone and welcome to Awesome ML. So in the last video we talked about different data types of Python and how the concept of dynamic typing is actually implemented using different variables, and I hope that session was clear enough to you. In this video we'll be talking about how we use different operators in Python to perform the different operations which are required maybe for our machine learning needs. So do stay tuned and watch this video till the end. But before that, please make sure that you like and share this video and subscribe my channel. So now we come across different operations that can be performed in Python. So operations like arithmetic, comparison, assignment, logical, identity, membership, bitwise, all these operations can be performed in Python, and we'll see a code example for all these operations. So let's start with operators in Python. Let's start with arithmetic. So I'll define two variables. Suppose x equals to 5 and y equals to 3. Okay, and let's start some arithmetic operations. So I'll do print, and this is add x plus y. Then I'll do suppose subtraction. So I'll say sub into x minus y. Then I'll say print I'll do a multiply. Then we'll have x into y. Then we'll do a division. Then it is x divided by y. Then we'll do modulus activity, the mod, which would be x mod y. Then we'll do the exponential, so x y. So the two asterisks indicate exponential operation. And then we'll do floor division, so that will be x, then two slashes y. So let's see what we get in the output. So let's see. So now adding 5 plus 3 gave us 8, subtraction gave us 2. So you can see the results here. So I think it is self-explanatory. Then we come to, so these were basically my arithmetic operations, and those will be followed by I would say assignment operations. Okay, so assignment is like I'm assigning x to 5 to x and 3 to y. That is also one of the assignments. Apart from that, I can do something like x plus equals to 3, so and then print an x, so I'll get 8. Similarly, if I do x minus 3, I'll get a 5 because the latest value was 8. Similarly, if I do x into 3, I'll be getting a 15. So that way we can perform different assignment operators. Followed by that will be comparison operators. So if I say, suppose x equals to y, so double equals to compares my two values. So we'll see the output of that, and then you'll be able, then the other operator which we have is x not equals to y. Then we'll have supposedly x greater than y, x less than y, x then will be x greater than equal to y, x less than equals to y. See, I think these would be sufficient just to, you know, just let's see the output of these. So you'll see, okay, x equals to y, that is false because x is 5 and y is 3. X not equals to y is true. X greater than y is also true. X less than y is false. Similarly, x greater than equals to y, yeah, it satisfied. X less than equals to y, this doesn't satisfy. So this way we can do our comparison operators. Yeah, so, and these are returning logical values. So similarly, if we want to try logical operations, then we'll do following things. So I'll give some examples. So if I say x may be greater than 7 and y, sorry, x less than 7 and y greater than 5. So what it will do is, firstly, it will kind of compare these and then do an AND, apply an AND operator over these. So you'll see, you will get a false. So this is how we do like logical operations. Then comes identity operation. So I'll do a print. So x is, sorry. So this is also a way to compare, identity. So you'll see that, okay, so if x and y are same, then x and x is y will be true, otherwise it will be false. So similarly, if I say x is not y, okay, so this will return true because x is not equals to y. That is how we'll get to, you know, understand the identity operation. And then we have I would say membership, sorry, so maybe something like print x in y. If x is a member of y, if x is a component of y, and this will not return because this is iterable. So we'll kind of understand this thing when I talk about more, or let me do something different here. So let's say I define z as something like maybe 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, and I say x in z. So this time it should work. So see, x is not a part of this list z, so it returned false. So that is how our and similarly, if I talk about, so if I need to check if x is not in, then it will return true. Okay, so these are the different type of operators which are there in Python and which would be used when we try to approach them via machine learning. We also have bitwise operations, but I didn't find any context where we are required to do bitwise operation in machine learning. So we will not be talking about that. I'm hoping that the different operations which we performed were clear enough to you. So this will open a gateway of how we can approach different problems in Python and use different operators to perform our required operations. So I hope you like this video. In the next lectures, we'll be talking about different data structures which are available in Python. So do stay tuned for my next videos. But do make sure that you like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.